Hello, everyone, and welcome to Viking University. Today, I wanted to take just a few moments to introduce you to a productivity tool that I use all the time and that I really think is valuable. Some of you may have already had experience with this, but I thought I would share my own experience. The tool is called time blocking. As we all know, time is our most important resource of all. You can never make more of it, and you can never get it back once it's spent. So it's extraordinarily important for us to use our time wisely and to guard our time in order to achieve our highest priorities. And to do that, one of the greatest things you can do is called time blocking. This is used by many very successful people from Elon Musk to all the way down. There's a saying in corporate circles that you can tell an executive's um, priorities based on their calendar. And it's not just for executives, it is true for everyone, right? If you think about it, it's the way you spend your time really tells your priorities. That is true for all of us. And so time blocking is a tool that allows us to control that because we live in a world where everyone is constantly seeking our attention and constantly needs something from us. And many times that detracts or distracts from what we really need to accomplish for ourselves and for our team and for our family and for our company. And so when you think about things like email, that really, email is nothing more than someone else's priorities for you. Not that it's very, it's not that it's not important to answer those and respond to those, but my point is that each one of us has things that we need to or want to accomplish every day. And oftentimes we may not get to those because we're too busy dealing with the minutia of life. Time blocking is a way to prioritize those things that really should be absolutely number one on your list. And it, in my case, a lot of my time is obviously spent in meetings with others, accomplishing things. But many of the things that you see here on this calendar, this is a public view of my calendar. This is a very typical calendar for me. Many of the blocks that you see on this calendar may not necessarily be meetings. They may not necessarily be appointments. They may actually be times where I have blocked out for myself a specific time to complete a specific task that I really need to accomplish. So you can really think of time blocking as creating appointments with yourself. You have set aside this time that says, I'm going to work on this at this specific time, and this is important to me, and it's important enough to me to put it on my calendar, not just on my to-do list, because a to-do list is wonderful, but a lot of times we find at the end of the day that we haven't completed everything that we wanted to on our to-do list, and we may not even have completed the most important thing on that list. So time blocking is a way to really prioritize and say, I'm going to do this. I'm not going to do anything else. No one's going to set any meetings with me at this time. I'm not going anywhere else. I'm not even taking any phone calls. This is my time to accomplish this. And using this kind of system, you can really accomplish quite a bit. As you can see, we can go through here. This is something I use all the time. Every week, you can see is created this way. And obviously, depending on your position, that is not always going to be. It's not always going to be possible to do this. If you're on site and you're working in the field on a job site, you're not necessarily going to be able to do this. But actually, maybe you can. Maybe you have a time where you say, I need to accomplish this specific task in the field, whatever it may be, whether it's with the tools on or if it's creating paperwork or whatever it is. You can actually apply this just as much if you wanted to. Um, so I hope this is at least a little bit helpful. Just a quick introduction. This is something that's really very widely used and is very, very helpful to a lot of people. And I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.